All right, here is ELF to the USD. So the alphabet fund, AELF, but the ticker symbol is ELF. This update was also requested. This is to the US dollar. Few potentials here. From the onset, it began as a correction, which is quite common for many of the ICOs. And that correction can be labeled probably in this way: A, B, and C. The only thing that bothers me here is this is a bit too short, a bit too quick for the correction to be complete. But if it is, we can see a potential pattern coming out here. And that is an ascending right triangle that could look like this. So price could continue touching this, come back up, and back down one more time. And if this comes to play, a little too much, then likely then the price will impulse from here and upwards. If that's the case, then we can call this correction to be complete at the C. If we see D being completed and E on its way, and as soon as we see a turnaround, we can almost call the bottom. But as I said in patterns, there are two stages you want to go to. The first stage is the completion of the pattern. Just the actual running of the price. Once it hits the E, it's complete. Then the second stage will be confirmation, where if price then finally breaches the top line, but does it in an impulsive fashion. So this is clearly one of the pathways. And if this breakout actually happens, back again, if this breakout happens, we can see a very nice increase to $1.77 or so. So as I said earlier, I'm not sure if this correction is complete. Well, as long as the bullish nature of Bitcoin sustains, I think this will be my primary count. As long as the bullish nature of Bitcoin has it so that Bitcoin hits 10,000 and goes above 10,000 to 14,000 or so, what have you, it'll pull everything up. So this is my primary count. The secondary count is, as I said, I'm not sure if the correction is finished. So what I will be looking for is an ABC that goes from A, B, and we may be going to C. And this would be my alternate count. How would I know that this is going to happen? If we see a price making a lower low than this, if price goes lower than $1.10, that'll be the clearest indication. Because then if it goes below this, the ascending right triangle pattern is invalidated as well. So breach of $10 equals ABC play. So here now is ALF to the BTC pair, which I think also is very keen in having finished its correction, and a breakout could be in potential. And this whole thing could be measured as a symmetrical triangle, which cryptos just love, love, love to do. Remember, there are three primary species of corrective patterns for cryptos. One is exactly this, downward pointing symmetrical triangle. The other one is cup and handle. And the third one, but not as common as these first two, will be the broadening, the jaws of wealth type of pattern that I've been putting out. So if this here is a breakout, we can maybe go to 1 hour chart. Clearly there were 5 waves up. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 waves up, correction, and we may be on the next round of the impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the BTC pair. And this probably was an ABC. Maybe a flat. And there was a clear and decisive breakout. Price also was very close to the apex, which is very nice. That's the kind of breakout that you want. But when price is close to the apex, more robust the breakout, and more sustainable too. I think one reason, for example, why Bitcoin was meandering for a while is that it broke out too far away from the apex. But that's not the case with ALF. So this breakout should lead to the second round of impulse. And the primary desirable result from the second round of impulse will be we need a higher high above the first 5, wave 5. So we need a higher high at 0.001440 Bitcoins. And if you can breach that, there's no way better that can do this than wave 3, which will have the mojo and the guts to do and deliver exactly that, a higher high. All right, I hope this was helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And as always, I hope I've earned the right to ask you for your consideration for the upvote for this posting. Thank you.